Well, it is tax season, and that, for a lot of folks, maybe you, already stressful enough. And now, add to that, because of a couple of new state laws that passed last year, you could end up owing the state more. Joining us now with more details, new tonight, News Channel 4's Ian Smith. Ian.
Kevin, Senate Bill 1604 and 1606 were passed into law last year, and both are bringing unpleasant surprises. No refund or even owing more in state taxes. I sat down with a CPA and an Oklahoma lawmaker to figure out exactly what's changed and how you can avoid being surprised in the future.
That this was something that is not well publicized. Many people were not aware of this.
CPA Joshua Jensen says the laws flew under the radar and caught some of his clients by surprise.
It does feel a little unfair because you started out using the tables that should lead you to the right result, but then when you get to tax time, it's not the result that you had hoped.
One of those big changes has a huge impact on Oklahomans who itemize their deductions.
So in 2015, we got to deduct all of the federal itemized tax deductions. In 2016, we have to add back the state tax.
Bottom line, you could end up owing more or get less of a refund.
It was to deal with the double deduction issue.
Senator Greg Treat says the law was passed to close a loophole.
Your state income tax has your adjusted gross income minus the part that is the state tax. So you no longer get to deduct what you paid in the state of Oklahoma from what you paid in the state of Oklahoma.
Another change deals with the earned income credit. It's no longer refundable in certain situations.
Income tax for a low income taxpayer in Oklahoma, they might have in the prior year been able to collect another $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $1,000, where this year they're not.
As for what you can do for the next tax season to avoid any surprises.
To really take action, withholding should be changed for 2017 so you don't have the same issue when you go to file in 2018.
Now, according to an impact statement from the Oklahoma Tax Commission, the new tax laws could bring in more than $97 million to the state. However, Senator Treat says that's just an estimate, and their goal wasn't to bring in additional revenue. It was to close a loophole, and the extra money is just an added